Okay, let's do it. So today's plan, we've got jumping jacks, glute bridges on single legs, split squats, a plank, tricep dips and Russian extension, Russian twists. So remember, it's a minute of each. Apart from the glute bridges and the split squats, which is 30 seconds. So if you've got a band, you can pull your knees apart and you'll just feel it a little bit more. If you don't have a band though, this one's still really good. So 30 seconds each leg. And then single leg split squats. I'm going to take my band off because it's an extra heavy one. But if your band is light, you can keep it on. So you'd want it like, you know where the top of my sock is there, and then on the back like that. Oh no, I need to be able to see the time. 10 more seconds. And the other side. And then into our plank. Oh. You know, the guy who had this longest held it for like 8 hours. Makes this minute seem a lot easier. So in this, think about squeezing everything, like even squeeze your legs and your bum, pull your belly button into your spine, keep your body nice and flat so you don't want to be down or up. And think about your hip tilt, so try not to have a curve in your lower back, try and be like flat. And if you want to know more about that, then message me, I will explain. Okay, then we've got tricep dips. So, you can do them with no equipment, put your hands on the floor, lift your bum, and bend at your elbows. If you have a step there, you can do them off the step. I have a step over there, so I'm going to do that for the next one. Or you can even use a chair, if you've got a chair. I do think they're better off something. You get a bit more of a range. I'll show you them like that. So put your hands on the edge and bend at your elbows. Just think it feels better. Oh, boobs. then Russian twists. So for this, if you find it hard to have your feet up, put them on the floor, and that'll be easier. And it's the more you tilt your body back, the harder it is. So if you do find it really hard, just sit up and twist, or come back to here.